In this video, we're going to continue to work on our confidence related to addition as well as our recognition of patterns. So our first question, it says complete the pattern. 7 plus 8 is obviously 15. And then we have 70 plus 80. If you're not sure, go ahead and do it on the side until you start to see a pattern. 0 plus 0 is 0, 7 plus 8 is 15. So I notice that when it ends in 1, 0, I have an extra 0. So my guess is that 700 plus 800 is going to be 1,500, or 15 and 2 zeros. Let's try it on the side. 700 plus 800, the 2 zeros, 7 plus 8, as I suggested, 1,500. Notice I leave that little space there instead of a comma, whatever works for you. So I know without doing the math that this one on the bottom is going to be 15,000. 7,000 plus 8,000. I have my 7 and my 8 make 15, and then I take my 3 zeros. Check that you understand that pattern, and we'll continue on. Same concept in this example, except instead of the answer, we're completing the question. So working on, you could call this an introduction to algebra. I think about it as fact families. I'm always thinking, okay, 10 minus 1 is 9. Associating the three numbers together is an important thing to be able to do in your brain. So 1 plus, I know it's 9, equals 10. So if 1 plus 9 equals 10, 10 plus what do you think is going to equal 100? I notice there's no zeros here, 1 0 there, and I know in my brain that 10 plus 90 equals 100. Okay, 100 plus 900 equals 1,000. Notice I'm mirroring the number of zeros in my question in order to go to the next, what would you call that, number column. 100 plus 900 is 1,000. 1,000 plus 9,000 equals 10,000. 3 zeros, still the same concept though of the 1 and the 9. So we have 10,000. This one's very similar to up here with the 10. So instead of 10 plus 90 equals 100, 10,000 plus 90,000, 4 zeros equals 100,000. And finally, 100,000 plus 900,000 equals 1 million. Same concept, last example here. What plus 4 equals 12? I love this because it's getting you to think algebraically already. What is that missing variable? If you can't figure it out, draw a picture. Okay, I have 12 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If I have the 4 here, what's left here? 8. So 8 plus 4 equals 12. I'm hoping you can start to see this, that therefore 80 plus 40 equals 120. Noticing that addition of the 0 there. Therefore 800 plus 400 equals 1,200. Please come see me if you need further explanation, but it's recognizing these patterns. No zeros, 1 0, 2 zeros. Good luck with the section.